take a word apart, we be miserable without syllables. They're what you get when you take a word apart. Count some syllables, clap it out. Clap it out. This is how we rock with syllables. Clap it out. Clap it out. Mice.
Oh, no mice. No mice in this house.
Hi guys, happy Friday. As you probably guessed, today we're going to talk about syllables in words.
With
Here
Mabel.
we are, Beast. All right, so coming a little closer. A syllable is what breaks a word into parts, and each part of the word has one vowel sound. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember, but we used to clap the beats in a word, and that's the same thing as a syllable, clapping the beats in a word. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna clap the beats in some words, okay? And your job is going to be to guess how many syllables, and for this first pile, what is the vowel sound that goes with the syllable? Are you ready?
We're ready.
Okay. You ready, Mabel?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here's our first one. As you can probably see, it is a picture of a cat. So we're gonna do clapping the beat. Ready? Cat.
Pretty straightforward.
Cat. One clap, one syllable. Now, can you guess the vowel sound that goes with that syllable? If you said A, then you were right. At. Yeah, the A is the vowel sound. All right, cool. What about this?
What are those?
Those are bell. That's a bell. All right. Bell. Bell. One clap, one syllable. Can you guess the vowel in the word bell? You said E, then you were right. B-a-l. Ooh, what about this one? Dice.
Oh, yeah.
Dice. It's got one syllable. Can you guess the vowel in the syllable? Dice. You said I, then you were right. Ice.
Nice. Silent E.
Yep, silent E. What about this one? We're familiar with this, right, guys?
Beast.
No, not
really.
beast. Dog.
Oh, yeah. Dog.
Yeah. Ready? We're gonna clap the beats. Dog. It's pretty easy. It's got one clap. So what's the vowel? Oh, Mabel's giving you a hint. If you said O, you said O, then you were right. D-o-g. Dog. And duck. All right, let's clap the beats. Duck. One clap, one syllable. Can you guess the vowel? Oh, Mabel's giving you a clue.
I don't know what that is.
It's the sign language for the letter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If you said you, then you were correct. Duh. All right, now we're gonna get a little trickier, okay?
Bring it.
All right.
It's not an Oreo.
Nope. All right, we're gonna clap the beats. Are you ready? Cookie. Cookie. Two claps means two syllables. Yep. What about this one?
I know what those are.
Yeah, you do?
Mm-hmm.
They're scissors. Are you ready? Scissors. Scissors. 2 claps means
Two syllables.
Yep.
Oh, I'm getting it.
What about this one?
Oh, some of you used to sit in these,
Yep.
or still do.
It's a high chair. High chair. High chair. 2 claps means?
2 syllables.
There we go.
Oh, man.
Ooh, this is a tricky one.
Oh. Hey, buddy.
That's baby. Baby. 2 claps means 2 syllables. All right. What about this one?
Do a lot of zooming.
Yeah, we studied these in science.
Looks like it attracts metal.
It attracts and repels.
Oh my gosh, you're so right.
Yep.
Who's the engineer
It's
now?
a magnet. Magnet. 2 claps means 2 syllables.
And 2 vowel sounds.
Yep. We're going to get to that. Hold on a second.
Oh man.
This one is a balloon.
Red balloon.
Yeah.
Great book.
All right. Balloon. Balloon. 2 claps means 2 syllables. You got it. All right, now we're going to take those 2-syllable words and we're going to look at how each part, each clap, has its own vowel. Okay, just for a few of them. So let's look at magnet first. All right. Magnet. We have to break it into 2 parts. Mag and net. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over so you can see the word. All right, and I'm going to cover up the second part of the word. All right, and if you just say the first sound, mag, then you notice that it has 1 vowel, the A. Now I'm going to flip it and cover up the first part of the word and show you the second part of the word, net. And you notice that it has 1 vowel, an E, net. So when you put it together, mag, net, each part has its own vowel.
It's a beautiful thing.
Yep. All right, we're going to do one more. Let's do balloon.
Nice.
Okay. I'm going to flip it over so you can see the word. Whoops. There we go. All right. So the first part is ball. Okay. So you notice that it has 1 vowel, an A. Okay. And now I'm going to flip it. I'm going to cover the first part and show you the second part. Loon. And you notice that it has an O. So the first part, ball, has an A. And the second part, loon, has an O. Balloon. Two syllables. There we
Got
go.
it.
2 syllables, 2
vowel
vowels.
sounds.
Yep. All right, let's do one more that's a little bit tricky.
Oh, this guy again.
Baby. This one has a tricky one, guys, because check it out. The first part, ba, has A, which we know really easily as a vowel. But the second part has Y, which we know is sometimes a vowel. But in the word baby, it makes the E sound. So it goes ba-be, ba-be. So 2 syllables, 2 vowels.
I get it.
Pretty cool.
Is that why they say A-E-I-O-U and sometimes Y?
Yeah, that's why they say that.
Okay.
All right, so we did those ones. Let's try some trickier ones, okay?
Let's do it.
Here we go. Okay, ready to clap the beats?
Mm-hmm.
Banana. Banana. 3 claps means
3 syllables.
3 syllables. You got it.
Good job, Dobby. Oh, I know what that is.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that was a good 3
Yeah. Basketball. Basketball. 3 claps means 3 syllables. You got it. I bet you've heard one of these before. Wee, wee, wee.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, let's clap the beats. Ambulance. Ambulance. 3 claps means 3 syllables and 3 different vowel sounds. All right, ooh, this is a fun one. Can you clap the beats?
Kangaroo.
Oh, good. Let's practice it together. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. 3 claps means 3 syllables.
3 vowel sounds.
Yep. Ooh, one of my favorites. All right, can you clap the beats?
Coconut.
Oh, good job, Mr. Lucian.
Thanks. I wasn't sure.
Let's do it together.
All right.
Coconut. Coconut. 3 claps means 3 syllables, 3 vowel sounds.
And what do you do with the lime? You put the lime in the coconut.
Oh, what about this one?
It's her mom.
Good. Let's clap the beats together. Ready?
Let's do that.
Elephant. Elephant. 3 claps means?
3 syllables.
And how many vowel sounds?
3 vowel sounds.
Good job.
1 per syllable.
All right, let's look at the word elephant, okay? Come a little closer.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, so if I cover up the end of the word, I can see L. It has 1 vowel sound right here, the first clap, which is an E. All right, then I do the next sound, L-E, which is another E sound, and then Fant has an A. So 1, 2, 3 vowels. All right, let's look at coconut.
That's a good one.
Okay. Co, the first clap has an O. Co, the second clap has an O. That's 2. And nut has a U. So 1, 2, 3 vowel sounds. 1, 2, 3. All right. All right, we're going to move on. Even more tricky.
Oh my gosh.
Uh-huh.
What?
Okay. I don't know if you guys know what this is. It's an old picture.
Is that an aquarium?
Nope.
No.
It starts with this letter, the letter T.
Ooh, more sign language. Nice.
All right, I'm going to give you a clue. It's a television. All right, now we're going to clap it. Ready? Television. Television. 4 claps means?
4 syllables.
And how many vowel sounds?
4 vowel sounds.
Awesome. All right, let's do another one. Ooh, I bet you guys know this one.
I'll give you a hint. It's not a pumpkin. A little trickier.
It's what you make with a pumpkin if you celebrate Halloween. It's a jack-o'-lantern. All right. We're gonna clap it. Ready? Jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern. 4 claps means 4 syllables and 4 vowel sounds. All right, last one. Are you guys ready? Ooh, this one looks scary.
Not a crocodile.
Not a crocodile.
I'll give you a hint. Not a crocodile.
It starts with this letter, A.
A.
It's an alligator.
Oh.
All right, let's clap it out. Alligator. Alligator. 4 claps means?
4 syllables.
And how many vowel sounds?
Same number. 4.
Yeah.
Always the same.
All right, come in close. I'm going to show you an alligator. All right, so Al, the first clap, has the vowel A. Li, the second clap, has the vowel I. Gay has the vowel A. And Tor has the vowel O. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vowels for 4 claps.
That's some advanced knowledge right there.
Yes, it is. Thank you so much for spending your Friday with us. We really, really appreciate it. We love you so much. I miss you guys. And please stay tuned tomorrow for our engineering video on how to make your own volcano at home.
Preferably outside.
Bye, guys.
Happy Funky Friday. Bye, friends.